What's up? My name is Larry De Leon. I'm here at the Experience. I'm rocking a 2002 Acura RSX.
It's just an amazing experience out here. Good show, great people.
Glad to be here at the Experience. I mean, it's the best event I've been all year. I mean, I'll definitely be coming back next year. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ososik and I'm still kind of recovering from the experience over the weekend, but it was really fun. Got to display the 11 Gen with all the SpoonSports stuff, and now it's back to the grind at the e-shop. Got to get all the bolt-ons on there, so there's still a bunch of parts that I have ready to install in that car. But right now, before we do all that, it's Monday. We got D right there driving. You saw him DJ. He got back on there. He probably hasn't DJed since we were like 18. That was over a decade ago, for those of you wondering. But also behind me, we got Joanna.
What's up, everyone?
PRBeauty, she's still with us. We got a couple more shops that we're gonna visit. We're gonna go back to the e-shop right now. So she's gonna see it for the first time in person, not just over social media. And not gonna,
really nice.
Thank you. Not gonna tell you guys where we're going, but trust me, keep watching. You're gonna wanna see this. And be sure to follow her YouTube channel, because she's gonna have the whole experience on that. If you followed me for a while, you know that this place we're going to, I've known him for years and we've worked with each other a lot. So, all right, we're finally out of LA traffic, so let's see what's up. My boy thinks he's in a Tesla.
My boy's in 2040, my boy.
All right, if you haven't figured out where we're at SHEEPEYRACE, and it's our first time here.
Yay, I'm ready. I'm vlogging too. Go back to the channel.
Well, now, check it out behind the scenes for her vlog.
You guys hear that?
Alright, so about to walk in, go up to Alex. Haven't seen him in a long time. Alright, so I haven't been here to the new facility, and damn, I'm not gonna lie, my boy's been stepping it up. Pretty proud of him, really proud of him. Got Joanna, she's just seeing everything. This is like the furthest she's ever been away from LA, because she never comes out here, and we're both kind of getting to experience the new shop that he got. This actually used to be like a K1 spot, so pretty sick. Just waiting for Alex. What are your first reactions to this?
It was huge. And clean so far.
And the cars?
Hella nice, for sure.
Would you get rid of your Civic for one of these?
Probably Evo.
Oh, there. Okay, good answer, good answer. Dyno section. We got the whatever this section is. We got this guy right here. Did you go to my event?
No, but I had my boys be there. They're the ones that won.
He's too good. He's too good. They did win though.
Yeah, that's my whole car right there.
Oh, my fault.
I fucking took it apart just to give it to them.
All right.
That's why I won.
You know how to turn them on? You know how to turn them on?
I know how to work it on my
It's not an all-motor A-Gen or anything, but I mean, it's high.
I'm only limited to touching it, that's why.
How scared you get?
Man, I don't even want to see my face in this video. It's probably hilarious.
What do you think?
Nice. I think I need to sell the Evo.
Y'all hear that? Hey, $20 raffle tickets right now.
Hey, you can sell the Evo and use that down payment to get one.
I know, right?
I got just the right thing.
Sick. I know a guy that used to have an Integra that could do that. Joanna? That was his first time driving that car. No. Let me see your reaction. No, show it. You gotta show it. Let me see.
Did you vlog while you were out here?
Yes.
God damn.
Yes.
He's like pushed back too. That's so crazy.
Alright, so we finally just left Sheepey's. We are back in Hemet, my hometown, if you guys didn't know. And sadly, we had to drag Joanna all the way from Florida to come see Hemet. We just passed by Dominagoni, which is where they film Fast and Furious. We just passed by my old high school. Oh, and then on the right there, that's my first kiss from my girlfriend.
Wow.
Is that too?
I can't confirm or deny that, to be honest.
History here.
Alright, we're here finally at the shop. She gets to see the Ososik shop. I think we're ready. Alright, so I got her to see the shop. She saw
So
the
that was really nice.
dyno. Need to get her in the Talon and go off-roading so you could jump it.
Yeah, that would be extremely fun. And then I want to go in this next.
Ain't no way. Doesn't even turn on.
Maybe I'll just push it.
You can push it. You can push that. It's all rusted. We'll see. Hopefully by the time you do come back, this is at least started on.
Yeah, no, I like those. This is cool. You don't see these at all, period. This is literally like a gem in here.
Yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to do with all that yet, but hopefully next time you come, your car could be right there on the dyno and
For sure.
you could be racing at the experience.
Yep,
I
that'd
think.
be dope.
So.
Stay tuned to find out. Hopefully we're planning something. We got some stuff cooking up, so.
Yeah. All right. Ready?
He's ready to go.
He's
like, I'm
tired.
driving all
He's
day.
tired. So this morning we picked up Jomoto from LAX and we dropped them off over with the guys at Ondata, a little meeting. And for those of you who don't know who Jomoto is, he is from SpoonSports Japan. So he flew in from Japan. And yeah, LAX was crazy. Sorry I didn't get to record it, but it was just a lot of cars and we just literally just picked them up. So went to Ondata right after that. Then Aaron from SpoonSports USA met us there, and now we picked up the 11 Gen from Daniel. I let Daniel borrow it for a little bit, and we're on the way to Buttonwillow to test the Spoon products that we put on the 11 Gen. So far we only put on the SpoonSports calipers and the race pads, front and rear. So aside from that, we also did the Titan 7 wheels with the Yokohama AO52s. And for those of you who've been watching, you guys know that was pretty much the biggest problem and issue, not only with this car, but even the 10 Gen. So in my opinion, these mods are the first things that you should probably do before you take your car out to the track, because you'll still have fun, but it's just, you know, the tires and brakes will easily, especially out here in California with the hot temps, or at least when I went, the brakes fade really fast and the tires really don't do anything for you. So I'm hoping to do a lot better and go a lot faster than what I did. Again, last time too, it wasn't a true fair comparison because the car started acting up before I could even really put a really good time down. But hopefully everything's all good now, and I got a better. I'm actually using Willwood race brake fluid, so it should be way better now. And I am on the 10 Gen lowering springs and shocks. So hopefully that doesn't hurt it, but looks cool. Alright, so we got a couple hours until we get there, and obviously LA traffic. How was it?
It's fun. I like the car. It's super hot.
Oh yeah.
But handle's good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very linear.
Have you gotten to drive a 10th generation SI?
No.
The Type R, yes, right?
Type R, yes.
How would you say this compares to the 10th gen
Type R?
Type R?
You know what? It might be better handling. Just not enough power.
Right.
So if you add the same power, this might do better.
I see.
Yeah. At least I like the way it handles.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Oh, I could tell the big difference between the 10 Gen Si and this one for
Is that
sure.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like off the back, I was, oh shit, it's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put some gas.
180 horsepower car.
I think it's a lot of torque.
Yeah, it's good torque. I mean, engine is not good, to be honest. I mean, not compared to like Type R or something. But handling wise,
I think these
I
chassis
think this
are
one
very
better.
The chassis are very good. Yeah, I heard the chassis rigidity is a lot higher on the new generation.
Yeah. I did 208 in the first lap, so it should go a little bit faster.
It's pretty quick for a
Yeah.
stock SI.
With that 180 horsepower. I did 208 with the R33.
Oh yeah.
It's a Civic versus R33, you know.
The stock Civic. Well, the R33 stock.
It's
too,
stock too, yeah. I mean, brake help, of course. It's not really a stock because it's spoon brake.
How are the brakes?
Good, but had the same type of issue. It gets stiff.
Yeah.
But not as bad though. That's the kind of crazy part.
Well, I think you're not on the threshold as much.
No,
The
not
other
as
one
much.
is the brake is more performance, so you're pushing harder. That's why it locks you out.
I see.
I think it's a Civic inherent problem. But the performance was pretty good on the brakes and tires. And
Yeah, everything. Turning.
so now you just need more power, right?
Yeah. I think if you have the same power as FK, this, I don't know about the time, but this will for sure feel better to drive.
Well, yeah, but the FK, the new generation Civic will be based on this.
Oh, yeah.
The 11th generation Type R, right? So it's gonna be fun.
Wow. Cool.
What's going on, guys? So we made it to Buttonwillow and made it just in time. There's a lot of traffic coming up here, but we got Dai and Jomoto, so Spoon and professional race car driver, if you guys don't know who they are. But they're gonna go ahead and say everything in Japanese. I'm not gonna know what they're saying, so hopefully we can get it translated. So first off, it's a 22 Civic Si. Performance-wise, completely stock. I did put the Spoon big brake kit, and for the tires and wheels, we got Time 7 wheels and the Yokohama AO52s. So before you hop in there, have you ever driven the new 11 Gen?
No, this is my first time. I'm pretty excited. Yeah.
So go ahead and just talk about a little bit about your past and what you've done, and then also same thing.
Well, I'm 2011 Premier Drift champion. Sorry, my voice is kind of bad today. I'm a little sick, so maybe I can't talk that long. But I've done bike speed, time attack, a little bit of road racing here and there. And I've driven a lot of FK8, so I'm really curious to see what this newer generation does. Even though it's not a Type R, I can kind of feel what the body feels like. So exciting about it.
And just tell everybody about the parts that we put on the car and what we're testing for you guys out here and what you guys plan to do for the 11th generation.
今回の今回つけたパーツのことについてちょっとでこの新しいジェネレーションのシビックでちょっとお話ししてください。日本語でいいよ。日本語でいいですもちろん。
今回のこの新しいシビックに今ついてる部品は10thジェネレーションのシビックで開発したものをまずは最初につけてます。それでやっぱりノーマルだとどうしてもブレーキってちょっとキャパシティが足りないからそれをやっぱり向上させるための6ポートキャリパー。
なるほど。
でブレーキバランスを取るためのリアブレーキパッド、フロントとリアのブレーキパッドをやっぱりコンパウンドをちゃんと調整することで 前のめりにならない、ちゃんと後ろも効くようなそういうブレーキを作っています。僕らはこれから実は1台 SI を買って今日本に送ってます。で日本に車が来たらこの車もっともっと開発して、
なるほど。
で部品いっぱい作ってでアメリカにまた持って帰ってこようと思ってます。でやっぱりこの車ボディがとってもいいから、その良さを生かしてそういうチューニングを今考えています。
Alright, so I have no idea what was said, but I think that just translates to just like in typical tension form, SI Si se puede. Alright, as you guys can see, we are having a much needed car wash with the 11 Gen. Because as you guys seen in the previous videos, obviously the color black gets dirty really fast. And well, why not? Enjoy. Alright, so just got out of the car wash. And am I gonna dry it? Nope, I'm going straight to the shop. Let's go.